Port of Miami Terminal G. And Rob just realized one thing. It's spring break. Gonna love all the kids around on board. We are now on board of Independence of the Seas. Virgin over there. We're gonna head to the Mustard station first. And then our room to show our little room tour for you guys. Mustard drill done. Pretty quick, super simple. They just scan all boarding passes and that's it. Just stop here. Make sure you stop here as soon as you get on board to get this done. And let's head to our room. We are here. I'll show you the room. Let's get in, check it out. Okay, this is our room, everybody. Let me do just an overview pretty quick here. So here's the closet. And we got monsters in the closet. This is the closet, pretty spacious, a safe, shelves. We got our luggage already here. The life jackets over there. Thermostat over here. Behind the door you see the muster station where you have to go in case of emergency. Let's take a look in the bathroom. This is another shape, so you get it. In the shower head, and only one product, shampoo and body wash. So bring your extra conditioner if you like that. This is about the size of it. I got Rob sitting on the couch here. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Say happiness.
Happy penis.
Happiness.
Happy penis.
Anyway, here's our working station. And this is an older ship. You won't see all the USBs and USB-Cs around. But you have 2 power outlets here. Light switch. This water is because we are diamond. And telephone, drawers. Let me see, nothing in it. Let me see this one. Box of tissue, and here there's probably the slips for breakfast. Yep, if you want to order breakfast, you hang this outside the door. Continue in here. There's a lot of drawers here. The hair dryer. The fridge. TV. It will tilt a little towards the bed. If you're sharing your room with more people, we have this curtain here for privacy. Not really. Oh, I thought it was closed all the way, but I guess it's just like for this privacy matter. Does it make any sense? Why this curtain here though? Anyway, for our halfway privacy. Maybe the person laying here wants to see the people in bed kissing. That's all.
You about the mandatory guest safety briefing procedure.
Reading light and a lamp. There are no power outlets next to the bed, only here. And look at me wiping the shelves because it's so dusty. Hello, TV. I'm the new housekeeper. Just here at the vent of the AC. Well, not so bad. Take a look at our balcony. Pretty nice one. Spacious. The view of Miami right now. And It literally faces the water. There's no like lifeboats or anything below this balcony, so this is our ocean view balcony, 6552 here, Independence of the Seas. Come on, Rob, let's try the bed now.
I will not.
Come on, let's get
Nobody
up.
wants to see this go like this when I lay on the bed.
But they like to
And
know.
this, like,
But they, oh my God, imagine my case. But they like to know how
show
comfortable
yours.
is the bed. They like to know how comfortable
Yeah,
is the
you
bed.
show them.
Okay, you're not gonna jump on it.
No.
So let's see. Oh, it's comfortable. Approved. We have some internet issues to solve. We're going to guest services now to fix some stuff on our account, and then we have the sail away party coming up. So you're gonna get something to eat before the sail away party here at the Windjammer. But don't forget to wash your washi. It is super busy here. Slime is everywhere. Rob is here. Now let's eat. First meal on board of Independence of the Seas here at the Windjammer. First drink on board of Independence of the Seas, Goombay Smash. Cheers. Stopping at the shops to get our merch, our Independence of the Seas ship model, and the magnet. These are the two things that we always get. And the royal stuff they have here in the shops. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna get this for Georgia and Toby. They're gonna they would destroy this like in 1 second. So cute, this backpack for kids. Oh, seems like Royal has a new character. It's so cute. We just got this ship model and the magnet, and it's happening party here at the promenade. Look at this. Now let's finish the day with Sorrento's pizza. And with Sorrento's pizza, I'm finishing today. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, leave your comment, share. Till next time.